Hi, and welcome to Australian Watercolour Landscapes. In this class, I'm going to show you how to sketch and paint 4 different Australian landscapes in a loose atmospheric style. I'll talk you through in real time the techniques I'm using, such as wet and wet and wet and dry. I'll show you how to simplify and sketch a scene in pencil, and also show you how to paint rocks, trees, water, and a variety of different landscape subjects. This class is aimed towards beginners with 4 full landscape demonstrations which I'll guide you through step by step. There are scans, drawing and tracing templates included for each demonstration to help you transfer your drawing over quickly and easily. In this class, I narrate my demonstrations in real time. I explain every technique I use in the context of the painting, such as layering into wet areas to paint shadows of a tree. I'll be going over the basics of wet and wet watercolour painting. I'll talk about what materials you'll need, your options, and which ones I use and recommend. If you have some brushes, watercolour paints, and paper, then you're set to go. So join me in this class. Let's create some beautiful watercolour paintings that you can be proud of.